Metro.
By Sarah Dorn.
Sign up for our special edition newsletter to get a daily update on the coronavirus pandemic.
New coronavirus infections across New York remained flat, hospitalizations fell to their lowest number in a month, but there was bad news. Saturday, fatalities climbed to 299, an obnoxiously high number, Governor Cuomo announced.
It was the second day in a row the single-day death total was below 300, but Friday's tally was 10 more than the day before, for a statewide total of 18,909.
That number has remained obnoxiously and terrifyingly high and is still not dropping at the rate we would like to see, Cuomo said from the MTA's Corona Maintenance Facility in Queens, where trains next week be disinfected nightly.
An additional 831 New Yorkers were admitted to hospitals with COVID-19 cases, the lowest number since March 24, Cuomo said. And hospitals across the state reported about 900 new cases, he said.
More than 10,300 New Yorkers remain hospitalized with COVID-19, with 2,923 on ventilators in intensive care, according to state data.
Diagnoses grew by 4,663, state officials said Saturday, to a statewide total of 312,977.
Cuomo also announced preliminary results of the state's 15,000 antibody tests it began conducting April 22.
On that date, when 2,933 had been tested for signs they had already fought the disease, the rate of positivity was 14% statewide. It has since dropped to 12%.
Only one age group has seen an increase in positive antibody tests, 18 to 24-year-olds. Their positive test rate grew from 8% on April 22 to 11% Saturday, the governor said.
New Yorkers between the ages of 45 and 54 had the highest percentage, 14, of positive antibody tests.
In New York City, the percentage of those positive for antibodies stood at about 20% on Saturday, a 2 percentage point drop from April 22.
The results show the Bronx has been hit harder than any borough, with 28% positive for antibodies, compared to 19% in Brooklyn and Staten Island, 18 in Queens, and 17 in Manhattan.
We're going to do more research to understand what's going on there. Why is the Bronx higher than the other boroughs? Cuomo said.
In counties outside New York, about 1 to 3% tested positive for antibodies.
Cuomo said the state would begin Saturday testing all transit workers for antibodies, among several new initiatives.
And state workers will distribute 7 million face masks beginning Saturday to high-risk communities, including NYCHA complexes and nursing homes.
The state will also distribute $25 million to food banks across the state, with $11 million to New York City, he said.